Hello viewers, I'm Sharad Khatri and this is my concept for my educational text-based game. Before I start off this video, I'd like to thank you all so much for considering my concept and I hope that you all like it. So to start things off, I had to define what I had to get done for this game. The user interface had to be text-based and images will be used to display the text sample and the pictures of options. The usability had to consider things like effectiveness and safety. The coding environment would be the Python language and have to use functions like start and display images. And the stakeholders would be people like the teachers and the target audience, which is students aged 10 to 13. So then, so then, the game that to make this English comprehension game, which will work in the following way, which I will show you right now. So first, if I go on here, I'll just press run, and as you can see, the music has some upbeat categories has been started for the game, and as you can see, in here, Pygame has been initialized. As you can see there, Pygame has been initialized, and now it is asking for my inputs. So, so, so for this input, I'll just put in my name, and now, if we go down here, it says text reader, and then it outputs. Choose up to 4 options: adventure, mystery, sci-fi, or number game. Which story do you want to read? So to start this off, I'll put in the number game, and when I put this in the number game, it will take you to the number game function, which the code for is located right up here. So as you can see, the variable player name is an input of the answer. What is the name for this game? The name for this name, I'll just put in my name, Sharag. Alright, so as you can see, the number game has selected a random integer between 1 and 100. And now the guess is now asking to enter my number. So I'll put in 50 to start it off. Let's see, 50 is too low, so now I'll go 75. As you can see, what happens is that if it's too low, the count now goes up by 1 and is printed, as you can see over here. As you can see, that's happened twice now, as you can see in this if statement over here. So now it's asking for me to enter my next number, so I'll put in 85. 85 is too low, so it's still outputting this part over here. So now I'll put in 90. Okay, that's a bit too low, still a bit too low. I'll put in 95. Okay, 95 was too high, so now what happens is that, as you can see, the count variable has now got up to 6, and it has printed how many guesses it's taken me to do it so far. So now I'll put in 94. 94 was too high, so I'll put in 93, and I'll put 92. Okay, let's try 91. Alright, as you can see over here, the correct answer was 91. Okay, I'm sorry for this bit of technical difficulties. See, but it was 91. So after seeing, because I got the correct answer, now outputs this statement here. Well done. And as it outputs statement, it prints out my player name plus guess the number, and thus is plus the number that the game throws in string form in, and then a string form of how many guesses it took for me to select the number, and goes. So now, as you can see here, like everything's been reset. So if I'll take you all down to the bottom of the code, just give me a minute. We'll now try out the comprehension games. So the test to show you guys how it works, I'll put in I'll put in number. I'll put in adventure. Let's do an adventure comprehension activity. So we input adventure and press enter. And if I just bring up this image for you all to see right now, it's like the image is now changed to this piece of text. And how this comprehension game will work is that if I just bring up the code for you right now. Alright, so here we have the adventure. Here are all the variables for the different aspects of the text. So as you can see, the first question we outputted: what type of clouds are there today? 1. Dark. 2. White. 3. Black. So then, like then the variable clouds is an input of the clouds were this, and as before I go to that, I'll show you guys that if the input equals this list here of white Applewood College and shutters, it will that will mean that it is right. So first of all, I'll put in white because that's the correct answer. So like as you can see in this code, like because I got the answer, like if I in clouds, it has been appended to the list, and it also prints what I've chosen so far over here. So then, as you can see in here, as you can see that the trees were apple, the actor was a boy. Okay, so the house was a cottage, and the windows were, as you can see here, the windows were round. Like I put in this round thing as the wrong answer because as you can see, like I got it wrong. So if I show you guys what happens down here, it is appended to the list because as you can see, in this else statement it's printed try again, and now I have to do it again. So we'll just do it right this time. The clouds were white, the trees were apple, the actor was a boy, the house was a cottage, and the windows had shutters. And as you can see, it goes like everything right. As you got everything right, and all my answers equal the correct list that is needed to print this well done message. This message here has been printed as well done because all the listed adventure answer equal all the variables in adventure guess. So anyway, I'd like to thank you all for viewing my video and hope you consider my idea.